In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a spreadsheet using Google Sheets in Google Drive, a skill that's invaluable for both personal and professional use. Whether you're managing your budget, organizing your work schedule, or simply keeping track of important data, Google Sheets is a versatile tool that you can rely on since it's easily accessible and user-friendly. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up Google Drive by going to the website and logging in with your Gmail account. Once you're inside, you'll notice a variety of files and folders that you may have stored there. This hub is where all your documents will reside, making it easy to keep track of everything Google related in one place. The next step is creating a new spreadsheet. Take a look at the left-hand side of the screen and find the plus new button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Google Sheets. This action will open a new blank spreadsheet in a separate tab, ready for you to begin entering and manipulating data. Before you do anything else, it's important to name your spreadsheet to keep your files organized and easily identifiable. Up in the top left corner, you'll see Untitled Spreadsheet. Click on it, and you can type in whatever new name you'd like, such as Budget 2025 or Work Tracker. Don't forget to press Enter to save this new title. Naming your spreadsheet is a small but crucial step that saves you from scrolling through untitled documents later on. With the formalities out of the way, it's time to enter your data. Click inside any of the small boxes known as cells. You have the freedom to type in numbers, text, or even dates. To move efficiently, press Tab to advance to the right or Enter to move downward to the next row. This flexibility allows you to organize your information in ways that best suit your needs. Now comes the fun part, formatting your spreadsheet to make it visually appealing and easier to read. Start by highlighting the text you'd like to stand out, then utilize options like bold or italics located in the toolbar. You can also change the font type or size to suit your preferences. If you want to add a splash of color, use the fill color icon to add background hues to specific cells. For neatness and clarity, select multiple cells and apply borders to encapsulate your data clearly. Perhaps one of the most reassuring features of Google Sheets is that it saves your work automatically in Google Drive. There's no need for you to click any save buttons, reducing the risk of losing your progress. And there you have it. You've just set up a Google Sheets spreadsheet, formatted it to your liking, and learned about its auto-save feature. With these steps, you can ensure your data is well organized and easily accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.